Children, today your friend Ramu wants to ask some questions on this experiment. Are you ready to answer these questions?
What is the aim of this experiment? Meghana,
The aim of this experiment is to prove that the liberation of carbon dioxide and heat in anaerobic respiration.
what are the materials required to this experiment? Sham,
A bottle, test tube, L-shaped glass tubes, glucose solution, yeast, dioxin green, liquid paraffin wax, lime water, thermometer, and rubber corks.
why do we pour liquid paraffin on the surface of the yeast and glucose solution? Nikhil,
To prevent the dissolution of oxygen into the glucose solution.
why do we use dioxin green solution in this experiment? Anusha,
The Dyson green solution is poured on the glucose solution to test the presence of oxygen. This blue dye turns pink when oxygen is in short supply around it.
what change is observed in the temperature? Subbu,
The temperature rises up.
what change is observed in the lime water? Bharat Vikas,
After some time, lime water turns into milky.
how do you confirm the release of carbon dioxide? Balaganesh,
The gas released from the glucose and yeast solution enters the test tube, make the lime water milky and white. With this, it is proved that CO2 is released during anaerobic respiration.
what is your inference from this experiment? Hemant,
The lime water turned into milky white. Temperature is raised in the thermometer and alcohol smell given off from the flask. These observations indicate that carbon dioxide, heat, and alcohol are released in the anaerobic respiration.
Children, you did a good job. Let's give them applause.